this is Liu channel. My name is Martin. I hope you have a great day. Today we'll make a dish. It's called the Coke Flavored Chicken. The main ingredient we need a chicken. This is a quarter chicken leg. You can use a breast or any part of the chicken, and bone or boneless. It's all up to you. And also, usually the original they use the chicken wings or chicken wings to make it. It's called the Coke flavored chicken wings called 可乐鸡翅. And chicken is expensive, so I just use the chicken, the other part of chicken to replace it. We need 2 green onion scallion and 5 or 6 pieces of sliced ginger. And Coke, you can use a Pepsi. If you like Pepsi, use Pepsi. If you like Coke, use the Coke. Or it doesn't matter which brand. You also can use some kind of small brand. You can use a sugar-free or have sugar, or the caffeine free, or it's all up to you. So those are the main ingredients we need for this dish. Okay, we cut the green onion. This green onion we cut it the white part. We cut the white part, cut it half, get the white part, and then we cut it like this. Cut it this long and put it with the ginger. The leaves we will cut it like this. Cut it because we will add decoration and add it on top of the chicken. We just cut it, try to cut it small, probably like this. This is the green leaves we get, and then the white part with the ginger we get. Okay, we cut the chicken. This is the part of the chicken tails we don't want it. We just cut it off. This is off. We don't need it. We throw it away. And then we cut the chicken. Cut this quarter chicken leg. Cut it to 2 pieces from here. Be very careful, especially cut chicken by bones. Don't cut your finger. Be very careful. If you don't like skin, you can cut the skin off. It's all up to you. We try to get the meat off from the bone. If you don't like bone, you can use get the bone off. It's up to you. We just need to cut the meat to a cube. This big enough, not too big than that. So I'll just cut it off from bones. This one cut off. chicken leg. Be very careful. Here's the chicken we get. We put the chicken in a big pot and add cold tap water to cover the chicken. And now we turn the stove to the high fire. This is the cooking wine. This is the cooking wine. Any brand cooking wine, it's okay. If you don't have cooking, you can add some beer or alcohol. Any alcohol is okay. Add 1 tablespoon. We just let it boil the chicken to get rid of the blood out of the chicken. The chicken will taste better. Yeah, after we boil it well and after we heat the water, heat it well and to get it boiling, we get rid of those foam. And you don't want those. Just get it off. Get out from the skipper and get out from the pot. Then we use a strainer. Okay, use a strainer to get out of the chicken and drain the water and put it into the pot. In the pot. Drain the water and put it in the pot. Okay, this is the chicken we get. We use it later. Turn on the stove. Medium fire. This is vegetable oil. We add 2 tablespoons vegetable oil to the pot. Don't add too much. Okay, move the pot to rinse the pot. This will help not the chicken to stick to the pot. When the oil is hot, we add the ginger and green onion into the pot. The white part of green onion. It will slowly fry until the ginger and the green onion release good smell. Just slowly fry. When the ginger and the green onion release good smell, we add the processed chicken into it. The processed chicken, we add it to it. Careful the oil. Be very careful. You will turn off the stove to add it to it. Don't add water to it. Very careful. Okay, now it's done. Slowly fry. This is a soy sauce. This is soy sauce. We add 2 tablespoons of soy sauce to the pot. This is the salt. We add half teaspoon of salt. Don't add too much. And fry. Just stir fry, don't let the chicken stick to the pot. This is the Coke. We add a Coke into the. This is a Coke. We add a Coke into the chicken. Slowly add. Don't let it have a lot of foam. Add it. Add the Coke and cover the chicken. Okay. Coke need to cover the chicken. Add a little more. Okay. Okay. Then just stir it. Don't let the chicken to stick to the bottom of the pot. Okay. We turn the fire to the high fire and cover the pot until it's boiling. Now you can see in the pot it started boiling. Then you turn the fire from the high fire to the low medium fire. I turn to 4. That is slowly boiling. You can see the still slowly boiling. Just let it cook for 15 to 20 minutes. After 15 minutes, we open the lid. We can turn the stove to the high fire to thick up the sauce. We just stir it. Now you can see the chicken is already fully cooked. You can use a chopstick or stuff to poke it. Easy to poke it through. Maybe the chicken is fully cooked. Then we just high fire to thick up the sauce. Now you can see there's not a lot of sauce left in the pot, and this dish is mostly done. We turn off the stove. Okay, we put the chicken in the pot, in the plate. This is the green onion leaves we add on the top. You don't need to add all of them to it, add some. Now the Coke flavored chicken, this dish is done. Chinese name called 可乐鸡块. I hope you like it, and please subscribe, share, like, and comment, and see you next time.